11, 11, 25, and so we're doing a three-way switch. This is the upstairs, that's the downstairs. So what we discovered is this one is always hot. These two are travelers. This is a neutral, a real neutral, and this is going up to the lights. And there's another black one down there, that's also going to the lights. So you can either feed this one positive, or you can feed this hot, and then down there you give it a neutral, the lights will work. If you give the other one downstairs a neutral, then you need to give this one a hot and it'll work. So this is hot, so I'll prove it to you. See, right now it lights up because I'm feeding it a hot, because down there I gave it all the time neutral. Okay, so that's done. So now according to this diagram, hold this, don't touch that one right there, okay? So we're gonna call this one I gave, what did I give down there? I gave down there a neutral, right? Because I gave this one a hot.
Yeah, down there, the neutrals.
Yeah, so this one got a hot and it worked.
Yep.
But then I want to call this diagram up here. No. I want to call, because I want to give this thing, so this thing is going to go to the red. That means so right now, if this guy lives over here, then that means no, because the hot's coming up on this side. So this is the hot line. So if the hot line's coming into here, and I'm feeding that hot to this red line, if I feed this, that means this has hot. So the other side needs to be neutral. And so the other side needs neutral. All right, we're gonna pause this video.